Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant barrage of dieting trends and meal plans? What if the key to better health is not solely about what you eat, but also about when you eat? Today, we will explore the health benefits of intermittent fasting and how adjusting your eating schedule can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. Intermittent fasting, often abbreviated as IF, is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on specific foods, intermittent fasting emphasizes the timing of your meals to optimize health benefits. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and consuming all daily calories within an 8-hour window. Another approach is the 5.2 method, where individuals eat normally 5 days a week and restrict calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. One of the most celebrated benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. By limiting the eating window, intermittent fasting can lead to a natural reduction in calorie intake. This process shifts the body into a fat-burning mode, aiding in weight management. Additionally, intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, leading to lower blood sugar levels and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting has also been linked to improved heart health. Studies indicate reductions in risk factors such as high blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Fasting is not just beneficial for the body, it also offers advantages for the brain. Intermittent fasting may enhance cognitive functions, protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and support overall brain health. Moreover, intermittent fasting has been associated with increased lifespan. Animal studies suggest that fasting can extend longevity, potentially offering similar benefits in humans. During fasting periods, the body initiates cellular repair processes, such as autophagy, where cells remove dysfunctional proteins and recycle them. This contributes to reduced inflammation and protection against various diseases. If you are interested in trying intermittent fasting, start by choosing a method that fits your lifestyle. Ensure you maintain a balanced diet during eating periods, stay hydrated, and consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your eating patterns. Intermittent fasting offers a multitude of health benefits, from weight loss to improved brain function. By simply adjusting when you eat, you can unlock a healthier, more vibrant life. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness insights. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new dietary regimen to ensure it is appropriate for your individual health needs.